In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to an external Slack channel. If your team collaborates with clients, vendors, or partners, external channels are a great way to keep conversations organized while staying within Slack. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to add someone, show you where to grab an invite link if you need it, and then point out how to confirm their access and manage their permissions. Start by opening Slack, either in your desktop app or in a browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple organizations. Once Slack is open, head to the channel where you want to add the person. In this example, I'm using a channel that's already set up for external collaboration. Click the channel name in your sidebar to open it. At the top of the channel, look for the channel header. You'll see controls such as the channel name and various icons. Click the More Actions menu in the header. This is where Slack keeps most channel-level settings that relate to membership and permissions. From the menu, select Edit Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage how people join and what they can do in the channel. You'll notice an option called Share Link. This generates a shareable invite link for the channel, which is especially handy if you're inviting someone who isn't already in your workspace or if you're coordinating with another company through Slack Connect. Copying this link lets you send an invitation outside Slack, but keep in mind that some workspaces require admin approval before external users can join. Use this when it's more convenient to send a link rather than selecting a person directly. Next, click Add People. Slack will ask how you want to proceed. Choose Add to this channel to make sure you're adding the person directly into the conversation, not starting a separate message. If Slack shows a confirmation screen, click Continue to move ahead. In the search field, begin typing the person's name or email. As you type, Slack will suggest matches. Select the correct person from the list when they appear. If you're working with someone from another company and your organization uses Slack Connect, you may see prompts related to sending an invitation to their workspace. That's expected, and depending on your company's settings, the request might need to be approved by an admin or a channel manager before it becomes active. After selecting the person, click Add to confirm. Slack will process the change and, in many cases, post a short notice in the channel to confirm they've been added. If it's an external invite, they may receive an email or an in-Slack prompt to accept. To verify membership and manage access, open the members view for the channel. This shows everyone who currently has access. Find the person you just added and click the three dots next to their name. From here, you can make them a channel manager if you want them to help with tasks like updating the topic, managing invites, or moderating the member list. Assign this role only when necessary since it grants additional controls. If at any point you need to revoke access, you'll find the option to remove them from the channel in the same menu. That immediately takes them out of the conversation and hides the channel from their sidebar. When you're done reviewing the member settings, close the panel to return to the channel. That's the complete flow. Open Slack, go to the external channel, use the More Actions menu to access edit settings, optionally grab a share link, add people directly, confirm, and then review members to adjust roles or remove access if needed. If you don't see these options, your workspace might limit who can invite or manage members, so check with an admin or a channel owner. Otherwise, you're all set to bring the right people into the right conversations and keep your cross-company work moving smoothly.